안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. Say hello.
Okay. 안녕하세요.
Thank you.
Okay. Hello. So today we came to the Weekender coffee shop and we're just gonna order a coffee. Here's the menu. And they have different items there. This is Ji-hyun. He's gonna make some coffee for us. How long have you been here? How long
Is it working?
this coffee shop?
A coffee shop. They start uh, they start May
Okay.
or April. I think April.
Okay.
Yeah, we start April.
Okay.
So the coffee shop owner, that's
Mm.
very good. She's Christian, but
Ah,
she
yeah.
want to give it cheap price.
Right.
Everybody is coming.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Oh, wonderful.
And especially military family.
Yeah.
And family on base.
Hmm.
People come to here.
Oh, well, oh,
Yeah.
good.
That's why we give the special price and
Yeah.
coffee here.
Yeah.
So Starbucks is more expensive, but here is more good price.
Right.
And the coffee bean is a good quality.
Nice. Okay.
Americano or latte?
Oh, let's do a small Americano. Yeah.
Thank you, everybody. Bless you.
Yeah. So it's a nice little coffee shop here at the back end of Anjeong-ri. It's worth coming to check out for a quick coffee when you're on the run. Or you can hang out. They got plenty of space and they have free Wi-Fi.
Yeah, we made a salad.
Sure.
Oh,
샐러드가 없다.
thank you.
샐러드 앤 김밥.
Mm.
김밥 보여주고. 일본말. I want to show 김밥 too.
Okay. Oh.
샐러드 다 먹어버렸죠?
네.
We make a salad too, but now it's gone.
Okay.
Salad.
Right. So it's more than just a coffee shop. You can get kimbap and some cookies
Make cake.
and some crawfills. They have some fruit,
Yes.
cake.
We made a salad, chicken salad.
Looks like it sells out quick.
Yeah. So loud.
And they have their own brand. Okay. All right. Well, 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
네. Well,
Thank you so much.
yeah, thank you.
Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. 감사합니다.
네. Ji-hyun, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
네.